In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a wiki in Notion, quick and easy for beginners. Welcome back. To get started, open Notion and click the plus New Page button. This gives you a fresh space to build your wiki, and it keeps everything organized under one roof. On that new page, click Templates. In the template gallery, use the search bar to look for Wiki, then select it and click Use this template. The Wiki template jump-starts your structure, so you don't have to build from scratch. It's perfect for beginners because it comes with a sensible layout that's easy to grow over time. Take a moment to explore the pre-built pages and sections, like Home, Docs, and Guides. Home usually acts as your landing page, Docs is great for reference materials, and Guides can hold how-tos or onboarding notes. Open each one and skim the layout so you understand where different types of information should go. You can rename pages, adjust descriptions, and remove anything you don't need to keep things clear and simple. When you're ready to add your own content, click Plus. Add a page inside your wiki to create new articles or notes. Give each page a concise title and a short description so people know what's inside at a glance. Keep your content consistent by using headings and short sections. That way, your wiki stays easy to read and quick to scan. To connect related ideas, use backlinks or @ pages. Typing the @ symbol and selecting a page creates a link that points directly to it, helping readers jump between topics. Backlinks automatically show where a page is referenced elsewhere, so you can see relationships across your wiki. This cross-linking turns a collection of pages into a true knowledge network. If you want a quick overview on long pages, add a table of contents. Just type a table of contents and press Enter. Notion will generate a list based on the headings in that page, giving readers a handy way to jump to the exact section they need. Finally, organize your wiki with folders, subpages, or databases for easy navigation. Use folders or nested pages to group related content, like policies, procedures, or team notes. If you prefer a more structured view, consider a database for your articles so you can sort and filter by tags, owners, or status. Whichever approach you choose, keep the top-level pages minimal and clear so people can find things fast. And that's how to set up a wiki in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.